It's a good shot. It's a good shot. My man's different. It's raining. All we'll have to see in the thunderstorm. Mad. Massive lightning today. Maybe some more. This was expected by the weather people, I think yesterday. So it's not a surprise this actually happened. But wasn't prepared for this massive lightning. Oh my god, big one just went off, guys. Oh my god, don't be in the chat, don't be in the chat. I think this might be my last one though today. This is really scary. Chat, I might have to go. I will touch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have a